video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a modern Burgershot MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is MLO which we are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just to click on this download button and download the MLO. After downloading it, extract the file. Now open the file, then go to FiveM folder, then copy this file from here, then paste it into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be pasting it over here, just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and this is the MLO which we have installed into our FiveM server, as you can see. Now let's get inside the MLO. So when you enter in the cafe, it will look like this. And this is the reception of the cafe over here. And these are the washrooms. Now let's get over here. From here you can access the kitchen of cafe. And this is the storage room over here. And this is the fire exit. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.